That's what we do. Tedeschi's. Alright. Oh my god. I'm itchy as hell.
Now the fire's probably not out.
The fire is not knocked out. Once we saw the hill explode, it is not locked out, yo.
So why are those guys on the top of the roof?
They're making sure the fire's vented.
Fainting? Don't you kill fires? That's why they call a firefighter.
Nobody's inside.
Who's not allowed to be inside with a big stream like that?
Yeah, and there's another ladder with a ladder pipe right there on the side. You're shooting water over there.
Oh, him?
And there goes the flame again.
Him right there?
Yeah, look at the flame again, guys.
Oh, the fire! We would have been get a good angle, a better angle.
Now they're getting down at the ladder.
That's a dangerous job, guys.
That was the ill. That was great. Alright. They'll be here all night and all day. Yo, can we do a comparison? Like come back tomorrow and be like, oh, this has happened right after the fire.
Come on.